Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic Class. Continue to Spoken Arabic series. It is lesson number 3. Greeting introduction. Continue. And I want to say, if anyone is looking to read and write Arabic and how to read and write Arabic, please visit my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic Class, and find all videos on reading and writing in playlist. I made 18 videos lesson on reading and writing Arabic. So you can find from playlist. Okay. And I also started to make video on spoken Arabic. You can find lesson number 1 and 2 from playlist. Okay. And playlist name is spoken Arabic series, and it is lesson number 3. And greeting introduction continue. So before I begin, I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic Class. Okay, let's begin. So continue. Greeting introduction. Now, today I will start from here. How to say nice to meet you. Okay, so nice to meet you. How to say nice to meet you? Nice to meet you. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say in Arabic, tisharrafna. 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 Tisharrafna means nice to meet you. Now repeat it. Tisharrafna. Tisharrafna. Nice to meet you. Simple. Okay, got it? Tisharrafna. Good job. Tisharrafna. Nice to meet you. And how to say really me too? Really me too. So really me too, say walla ana aidan. 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 Really me too. Walla means by God. So a phrasal translation in Arabic can say mashallah. No. Phrasal translation in English is really. So by God, you can say really. In English, walla ana aidan. So I hope you might have heard this word many times. Walla, walla, walla. By God. It means really, really. Walla. Okay, so now repeat. Tisharafna, walla ana aidan. Tisharafna, walla ana aidan. Really me too. Okay, let's continue. Okay, continue. Now remember also this word, continue. What is continue in Arabic? Say continue. Alatul. 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 Continue. Alatul. So you can use this word anywhere. Alatul. Alatul. Continue. Okay, now next. So Tisharrafna, nice to meet you. Walla and Aiden, really meet you. Okay. Now next is bye. 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 Bye or goodbye. So bye or goodbye. Say in Arabic, ma as-salama. Ma as-salama. Repeat. Repeat. Ma as-salama. Ma as-salama. Good job. Ma as-salama. Ahsant. Okay. You did well. Ahsan. I write here this word. Now just remember, you can use anywhere. Suppose you did good job. Yeah, you did well. Ahsant. Ahsant. Ahsant means you did well. Ahsan. Addressing male, I write here, Ahsan, you did well. You did well. Ahsan. Ahsan, you did well. And addressing female, Ahsanti. Ahsanti, you did well. Yeah, you did good job. Okay, Ahsanti, you did good job for female. For female. So Ahsan. Ahsant and Ahsanti, you can use this word anywhere. You did good job. You did well. Ahsant, addressing male. Ahsanti, addressing female. Repeat it. Ahsan. Ahsan or ahsanti, female. Done. So ma'asalama means, okay, ma'asalama means goodbye. Goodbye. Ma'asalama, how to say see you. See you. See you. See you means say ilalika. 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 See you. Now repeat. Ma'asalama. Say ilalika. Now repeat again. Ma'asalama. Ilalika. Ilalika. See you. Done. In this context, how to say have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Say ni ha rak Sa'id. Niharak Sa'id. I put here comma, double ED. Sa'id. Niharak Sa'id, address the male. Niharak Sa'id. Have a nice day. Niharak Sa'id. Have a nice day. Repeat it. Niharak Sa'id. Have a nice day. Now address the female. Niharik Sa'id. Addressing female. Niharik Sa'id. Niharik Sa'id. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Addressing female. For example, have a nice day, sir. Yeah, have a nice day, boss. Niharak Sa'id, mudir. Female. Male. Niharak Sa'id, mudir. And have a nice day, sister. Niharik Sa'id, ukhti. Ukhti, my sister. Okay. Have a nice day, my sister. Niharik Sa'id, ukhti. You know, right? Ukhti, my sister. Mudir is boss. So Niharak Sa'id, mudir, or Niharak Sa'id, ukhti. Have a nice day, sister. Okay. Now how to reply? Say in reply, first say shukran, shukran, niharak, shukran, niharak, Sa'id. If you reply to mail, right? If you reply to mail, to say shukran, niharak, Sa'id. Shukran, niharak, Sa'id. And if you reply to female, you can say shukran, niharik, Sa'id. Got it? Okay, now repeat it. Niharak Sa'id. Niharak Sa'id. Have a nice day. Now reply. Reply. Shukran, Niharak Sa'id. Shukran, Niharak Sa'id. And reply to female. Shukran, Niharik Sa'id. Shukran, Niharik Sa'id. Have a nice day. Tamam? Okay, khalas. Done. Okay, so it was it, lesson number 3. And now today, we completed greeting introduction. Okay, and I hope you might have enjoyed and you might have understood. Okay, now please keep practicing and we'll see you in next lesson. Thanks for watching. So again, I would like to request you, please like, share and subscribe my channel, Fa Ahmad Arabic Class. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. نهارك سعيد.